What's up? It's your girl Ayala, and today I am back with another video, another hair tutorial. And as you guys see by that title, I am going to be doing some large passion twists with some curls. It is my birthday in a couple days, and I just decided to do something that was like vacation vibes because I am going to Hawaii. So we're gonna get right into this video, but before we do, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. That'll really help my channel. On the road to 1K, so make sure to get me there. I love y'all. Alright, so let's get into this video. Alright, so like I said, I am doing large passion twists. So I'm going to start off by just parting my hair. That's basically the easiest way to do any style, is to part your hair first. I am using my bathroom mirror, and then as you guys can see, I have this small mirror in front of me. I really need to invest in the 3-way mirror because I do my hair all the time, and that would make it so much easier. But yeah, the products that I will be using in this video is just some Shine and Jam edge control, as well as some instant control edge control. I'm basically just applying this onto my part to make sure that I don't lose the part, and to also try to get my part even more straighter than what it already is, because I really wanted it to look like someone else did my hair. I didn't want any crooked parts, and I wanted everything that just looked almost perfect basically. Right here, I'm just basically applying the instant control onto my hair to sleek it down. I want my parts to be really sleek, really detangled, really flat, and just the bomb. Yeah, that one that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll share my world with you. You gonna waste your time, waste your time. I mean, honestly, open your eyes. I really don't like using rubber bands on my hair, but because I won't be having this style in for more than a week or two, I'm just gonna use the rubber bands. And I'm using 2 just because my hair is pretty thick, and also I feel like 1 isn't gonna be secure enough. Girl, you wanted, I see, and I am who I am, and I be where I be. If you ever hit me on a late night, I'll give you a clear mind, might give you some insight. Alright, so this is what my hair looks like. I have 4 at the top, I have 5 in the middle, and 2 at the bottom. So I have 3 rows. The first row at the bottom again has 2. The middle row has 5, 2 on each side, and then 1 in the middle. And then the row at the top has 4. So the hair I'm going to be using is the Freetress Water Wave hair. I got it in 22 inches and the color 1B. And surprisingly, I got this off of Amazon. It came with 4 packs. The hair was really soft. It detangled a little bit, but not too much, and it did not come frizzy, which I really like. And it actually wasn't expensive at all. I saved more money getting it from Amazon than going to the beauty supply and getting the hair. And on top of that, I had extra hair left over, so I'm actually going to be doing another style after this with this same hair. So for each twist, I'm taking 2 to start off with, and I'm just gonna basically crochet them in. Everything I ever did. Do they have a pool there? Do they have a gym there? Used to do skincare, but now Alright, so on the crochet needle, there's a latch. You just want to make sure that latch is down when you're putting it through your hair, and then latch the hair onto the hook. And then once you have the hair on the hook, then you'll just put that latch down and pull it through. If you don't put the latch down, you're gonna pull your hair. It's gonna snag and it's gonna hurt. I've been there. If y'all did crochet before, then y'all know what I'm talking about. But from here, I'm just taking the 2 strands of my hair, matching them with the 2 strands of the twist hair, and basically I'm just twisting. I am starting off very tightly because I do want the curls to be tight, and I also don't want my hair slipping out of the twist. And also, if the twist is not the way you want it to be, then that means just twist the other way. And that's actually what I had to do on a few of the twists, because sometimes it'll give you more of like a Cineglaze twist than a passion twist. And those are like 2 different looks. And I was going for a passion twist, which is more of like a tighter curl, and a Cineglaze twist is more of a looser curl. So if it's not how you want it to look, just twist the other way, and I'm positive that it'll look how you want it to look. But I am going in and adding another piece of hair, and I'm basically just feeding in throughout the entire twist. I did about 5 pieces on each twist, and it's really up to you. It depends on how thick you want the twist and also how long you want the twist. Mines were waist length. I did do large, and they were like medium size. Alright, so I ended up having to just show you guys a different twist because something happened to the footage, but this is what it looks like. Really silky, really thick, and the curls are tight as you guys can see, or the twist is tight as you guys can see. So I'm just going to show you guys how I get the curl. I basically just crocheted in somewhere, anywhere random, doesn't really matter. I crocheted through, and then I basically just tied a few knots to get the curl to sit tight on the twist, and then I went in with some got to be glue because the curl was frizzy. And that also is like a little hack that I'm putting you guys onto. The got to be glue actually makes the curls last a lot longer because they are synthetic. They will get stiff and they will get frizzy, and you know, we just don't want that. These curls actually lasted me the whole time. I think I had to revive them like twice within a week, but that's better than doing it every day or having to cut them off because they're frizzy and tangled.
No, you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, man, a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Baby got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell the shit, it is what it is. Said what I had to and did what I did. Never turn my back on every G, God forbid. Heard you got the paddock on my wrist, doing front flips, giving you my number.
So I did show you guys one way to have the curl coming out of the twist, and another way that I did is just taking a curl while I'm twisting out of the hair that I'm using to twist. And this is actually an easier method. This was my first time ever doing this style of myself, so I was kind of figuring it out as I went, and I decided to do another method, and it worked out the same pretty much.
This shit too plush. above me. The things I can't change are the reason you love me. Listen, you can hear them calling my name.
So as you guys can see, this curl in the front on the right side, or on my left side, isn't the same length as the one on the left side. So I just decided to put some Got2b gel on it to get it to the texture that I want it to be, and then I just cut it to match the length that it was on the other side. What were they talking about on your timeline? That's cutting on in my time. My time with you, man. So if you guys were wondering, like, I thought she said she was using the Shining Gem as well. This is when I decided to use it to kind of just lay everything down at the end because it gives everything a shiny look. So the last thing I'm going to do is go in and do my edges. I just decided to do like a regular swoop, just kind of swoop it into one of the twist sections. Came out pretty cute. At first I was kind of deciding like what I really wanted to do, but you guys will see at the end it came out really, really cute and I loved it. Don't know where I'm staying. I used to hit you about everything. Oh, he's still good. He's still good. So this is the final look, you guys. It came out so freaking cute. I'm actually gonna leave pictures after this clip, but I love them. They were super light. Didn't take me more than 4 hours to do. They were waist length. I love the curls, and this lasted me about a week and a half. So if you guys are gonna try this, just follow this method. Do the parts like I did. Really, really cute. I just love it, y'all. So yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I have so many more hair tutorials on this channel if you guys are interested in hair tutorials, so make sure to go check that out. And yeah, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace and blessings.